You know what it feels like. One week your pipeline is full. The next week it looks like a tumbleweed rolling through your CRM. Does your pipeline look like this? Mine did too, but I'll show you in this video how I changed it. This is what they don't tell you in sales training. Your inconsistency isn't about discipline. It's about identity. Today, I'm giving you the 3-step system to become a daily prospecting machine. For the new viewers, I'm Christine, the Savvy Sales Lady. And yes, I built 3 $30 million books of business during my 40 plus years of selling. But I walked away from corporate when my boss refused to give me time off to be with my dying dad. So I walked out and I was with him when he passed away. Have you ever walked out of a job? When I left that job, I had to rebuild from zero. And I had to relearn the hardest lesson in sales. Consistent prospecting isn't something you find time for. It's something you become. And that's what separates reps who hit quota from reps who panic every quarter. In this video, you're going to learn 3 steps, and they're simple steps. Step 1, why inconsistency is an identity problem, not a time problem. Stay with me on that. Step 2, the brain science that makes daily prospecting stick. And step 3, my daily 4x4 system that fills pipelines, and it just takes 15 minutes a day. Let's start with the real problem. When I started my coaching business with 0 clients, have you ever had to start a territory from scratch or a business from scratch? I stared at my phone for 45 minutes before making a single call. Now, here's the crazy part. As I told you, I built 3 $30 million books of business. So what was my problem? After 4 decades of selling, I felt like a complete imposter. Why? Because I had never built a business from scratch. Every win I ever had was inside a corporation. Their brand, their lead, their resources, their safety net. Now, no corporate logo, no warm leads, just me and a phone that felt like it weighed 50 pounds. I was completely out of my comfort zone, and I was telling myself 3 lies, and I bet you've heard these voices too. Lie number 1, I need to research more first. Translation, I'm avoiding discomfort. Lie number 2, I'll wait until I have the perfect message. Translation, perfectionism is fear in a fancy outfit. And lie number 3, I'm bothering people. I don't want to be a pest. Translation, I'm more worried about being embarrassed and rejected than I am helping them solve their problems. Sound familiar? Research in behavioral psychology shows you're not inconsistent because you lack time. You're inconsistent because your brain hates tasks without immediate reward. It wants that dopamine hit. Here's the formula your brain resists. Prospecting equals delayed payoff, and your brain resists it. I'll prove my point here. Have you ever noticed how cleaning your desk becomes so urgent the moment that prospecting pops up on your schedule? That's your brain resisting the discomfort. So consistency really is an identity issue. If you don't see yourself as someone who prospects daily, well, you won't prospect daily. You need to shift from I do prospecting to I am a pipe Pipeline builder. That's your identity. Feel the difference? Now, here's an action step. Write this down. My pipeline is a reflection of my identity, not my schedule. Put it where you'll see it every day. Stick it on a post-it note on your monitor. When I rebuilt from zero, prospecting daily was the only thing that kept my lights on. Some days I felt confident. Other days I felt like a fraud. Have you ever felt like a fraud? I hate that feeling. Don't you? Didn't matter. I did it anyway. Because if you wait until you feel like prospecting, you'll never get around to it. And here's what helped me, and this will help you too, and that's understanding how your brain works. This is stuff you don't get in sales training. Neuroscience shows a clear sequence. Now, stay with me on this. Daily repetition builds neural pathways. Repetition creates predictability. Predictability reduces fear. Reduced fear increases follow through. Think of your brain like a hiking trail. The first time you prospect, you're hacking through the bush. By day 30, it's a smooth path. By day 90, boy, it's a highway. And here's the kicker, and I alluded to this earlier. The brain doesn't care if you feel like doing it. It doesn't care. In sales, repetition builds competence. Competence builds action. Action builds pipeline. And pipeline builds peace. No more waking up at 3 a.m. worried. When you know you've got 20 solid opportunities in motion, you sleep better, you negotiate better, and you show up better. Now, your pipeline should look this way. 25% of your pipeline should be incoming new leads. 25% of your pipeline should be leads that are going through the sales process. 25% of your pipeline should be leads that are closing, sales that are closing. And then the last 25% of your pipeline should be dead leads that will never buy, and you're moving them out of your pipeline. That's the way your pipeline should look. Now, what's the compound interest principle when you're prospecting? You miss one day, not a big deal. Miss 1 week, you've lost momentum. Miss 1 month, your pipeline is anemic. But show up for 90 days straight. Have you ever done that? You've built a self-sustaining money machine. Here's your action step. Choose a 15-minute window each day that becomes your non-negotiable prospecting block. Just 15 minutes. Does this sound like something you can do? Put it in your calendar as meeting with future you. Make it sacred. And step 3, the daily 4x4 prospecting system. Every single time I built a $30 million book of business, there was one ritual that I never changed. The daily 4x4. In episode 1, I talked about the daily 3x3. So we're increasing it a little, the daily 4x4. 4 new contacts, 4 follow-ups. Every day, no emotion attached, stay neutral, no overthinking. One of my coaching clients went from 2 prospects a week to 20 contacts a week using this very system. It's no wonder that she started booking meetings daily and started closing deals weekly. It works. Remember, small, repeatable actions outperform intense bursts of inconsistent effort. You don't need 50 calls a day. You need 4 meaningful contacts daily. Remember, James Clear talks about the 1% improvement rule every day? Back in my day, it was called eating the elephant one bite at a time, just one small improvement every day. So here's your quick strategy, the tactical part. With the 4 new contacts, you might want to mix up your channels. 2 phone calls, 1 LinkedIn message, 1 personalized email. 4 follow-ups. Focus on your warmest leads first. Someone who said, call me next month, well, they're not a warm lead. You call them next month. If a demo went cold, follow up with them. Warm it back up. Or if someone just fell in the cracks of your CRM, pull them out. But what I'm telling you is be strategic. Reach out to your warm leads first. So what counts as a contact? A conversation, whether it's live or voicemail, a personalized email message, not an email blast, a personalized email message, not AI written, you write it, a value added touch point. Now, what doesn't count is mass emails, liking LinkedIn posts, that doesn't count. Researching for 30 minutes doesn't count. So what do you do when you get rejections? Just remember, every no is data. It's not defeat. Don't let one rejection ruin your daily 4x4. Finish all 4 new contacts and all 4 follow-ups, period. Do it. And here's the action step. Start the daily 4x4 today, not tomorrow, today. Here's what you can expect in 90 days, your progress. When you commit, and I mean when you really commit to this, that you're going to do it daily, in week 1, you're going to build a habit. It feels clunky. Do it anyway. During weeks 2 and 3, refine your message. You'll notice what lands, you'll notice what doesn't. Week 4, you'll start to get your first green shoots from your pipeline. And day 30 through 60, your competence and confidence soars. Prospecting now feels normal. Remember the repetition. If you do it daily, you stay in sync. And day 60 through 90, well, you've got a self-sustaining pipeline. You're not panicking anymore. You're building. So during this video, I have woven in the mindset of how you should be thinking when you go about prospecting. I'm a mindset coach. This is stuff that they leave out in sales training. So if your pipeline has been inconsistent, it's not because you can't prospect. It's because you haven't built the identity of someone who prospects daily. In episode 3, we're going to eliminate the cold call fear that holds so many people back. If you skip it, you'll keep feeling that pit in your stomach before you pick up the phone. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're building your multi-million-dollar book of business together. Now go do your daily 4x4 and stay savvy.